Hello, I'm Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I am creating with John Bead. Today's DIY jewelry project features my emerald bracelet. Tools and supplies you will need to create this bracelet are round nose pliers, wire cutters, and chain nose pliers. All of the crystals featured today are Preciosa Crystals. For the original project, I use Emerald AB 6 and 4 millimeter crystals. Today we will be using Siam 6 millimeter and Siam 4 millimeter crystals. You will need 8 millimeter jump rings, 6 millimeter jump rings, eye pins, a head pin, and a lobster clasp. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on blog.johnbead.com. Onto an eye pin, string a 6 millimeter Siam, 4 millimeter Siam, and a 6 millimeter Siam. Bend your wire to the side. Trim off that little end. We're going to grab our round nose pliers and we are rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. Make sure your loops are facing the same way. Now with the connector, we're going to use our fingers and make a slight bend in the connector. You are going to repeat this process for a total of 12 connectors. Onto an eye pin, string a 4 millimeter Siam, 6 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. We're going to bend the wire to the side, trim off that little end, and we are rolling the wire towards us to form a simple loop. If your loops are like this, you can take your chain nose pliers, give it a little twist so the loops are facing the same way. And we're not bending this connector. You are going to repeat for a total of 6 connectors. Grab an 8 millimeter jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. Attach a connector 1 facing inward, connector 2, and then connector 1 facing inward. Now we just close our jump ring. Attach our second jump ring, then connect connector 1 facing inward, connector 2, and connector 1 facing inward, and close our jump ring. Once again, attach an 8 millimeter jump ring. Attach connector 1 facing inward, connector 2, and connector 1 facing inward, and close your jump ring. Repeat the previous steps all the way around your bracelet. This angle gives you a better idea of how the connectors lay. Before closing the last jump ring, we're going to attach our lobster clasp and close our jump ring. You can now see that our bracelet is formed. Let's add this little dangle to the end of the bracelet. I just grabbed a head pin and I strung a 4 millimeter and 6 millimeter Siam. And we're bending that wire to the side. Trimming off that end with our wire cutters. Using our round nose pliers, we're going to roll the wire towards us to form a simple loop. Open your 6 millimeter jump ring, attach the little dangle, and another 6 millimeter jump ring, and close. Open your ending jump ring and attach to the end of the bracelet. Come back in, and close your jump ring. This is how the bracelet will look on your wrist. And here is our finished design. Also on the blog this week, you can find printable PDF instructions for these beautiful chandelier earrings. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.